What the Wood Enterprise Institute is, it's a student and faculty run startup. It's an entrepreneurial venture where each year our team comes up with a sustainable wood-based product. So this year we have created a charcuterie board. We all came together as a team to figure out which kind of products that would have a good place in the market and like what people really kind of want to see. And basically charcuterie boards are super popular in today's society with tons of people, millions of people posting on Instagram every single day. We felt that with alumni base and then also local businesses that also use charcuterie boards, we felt like that was a good target market.
We divide this up into 2 semesters. The first semester is they basically come up with the business plan. The second semester is they actually have to execute that plan. And boy, that's when you really find out we made some assumptions that weren't quite right. We underestimated the cost of our raw materials. How do we have to deal with that? And so it really provides a rich learning experience for them because they didn't just come up with a plan, they actually had to execute it.
We have a production team of 3 people making our boards. We have a marketing team that is trying to market our product. We have a financial team as well, trying to figure out all the numbers and make sure we actually try to make a profit, which is, it's really interesting to see. We're getting that experience as well.
The idea is I want them to experiment, maybe fail a little bit, but then from that they can actually learn and then be able to improve. One of the things that I do try to encourage for the students is, because we are in the Department of Sustainable Biomaterials, is to really understand what is that sustainability perspective that you can bring into the business. Can they do something better that takes less material? Can they do something better when they're making it to use less energy? Obviously that affects the bottom line of the business. They save money, they reduce their costs, and typically it's synonymous with coming up with a better quality product.